is the Simplimet 1000. It is your traditional automatic mounting press used for mounting metal samples in a phenolic resin. Mounted samples can then be cut and polished and observed under a scanning electron microscope. Today, for our example, we will be mounting a penny in a 40 millimeter mold. Our machine is capable of doing a 25 to 50 millimeter mold. First, you must turn the machine on by pressing and holding the white on button located on the front panel. All of your other controls are located on this panel as well. This is the parameter adjustment button used for selecting which parameter you would like to adjust. For example, pressure, temperature, heating, and cooling time. To adjust these, use the increasing and decreasing arrows. In case of emergency, there is an emergency shutoff switch located on the back right of the machine. Since we are making a 40 millimeter mold, you must use a roller with a marker located at 40 millimeters. Make sure the ram movement is turned on, located there. Raise the ram until you can see it. Place your sample in the center of the cylinder and lower the ram until it is 40 millimeters. Next, you must fill your cylinder with your phenolic resin to the top. Completely lower the cylinder. And shut the machine. Once the machine is shut, you will use the parameter adjustment button to adjust your parameters. For a 40 millimeter mold, you must have a heat time of 1 minute, a cool time of 3 minutes, pressure of 290 bar, mold size make sure is 40 millimeters, and your temperature of 150 degrees Celsius. After your parameters have been set, you must press the cycle start button in order to make your mold. After the mold is finished, the Simplimet 1000 will beep. Now that the sample is finished, you must turn the bayonet 45 degrees counterclockwise and raise the ram so that the machine will open. Be careful because the sample will be hot, so wait a few minutes before you remove it. After your sample is cold, you will want to remove it. Dust off your machine, clean up your area, lower the ram, and close the machine.